today we're going to be trying to play this game called Drive a Train. I don't really know what it's about, but can this guy get his train off? Man, and anyways, we're trying to hit 100 subscribers before the end of August. So if you're here, please like and subscribe. Anyways, let's spawn out. Bruh, you have to pay for this one. I am buying that. This is a scam. Can this guy get his train off? Guys, I'm so sorry. You'll have to wait. And I'm not favoriting the game for this guy to remove his train off the road. Oh, here there's a free slot. There's a free slot. There's a free slot. Finally, I can spawn on my train. What happened to my train, man? Finally. And guys, ignore my lag. Just ignore that. My Wi-Fi is pretty bad, so guys, please like and subscribe so that you can get a new one. My lag is not that bad, but it's very bad. Bro, let me move. And I'm sorry guys, I don't have a mic, so if it sound annoying, just ignore it. Currently, when this video is being posted, currently when I'm making this video, I'm at 55 subscribers. August ends in like 29. Ends in like 28 days. In those 28 days, I'm hoping to gain another 65. Sorry, to gain another 45 subscribers so that I can hit 100 subscribers. Anyways, I'm lagging so bad. Anyways, let's continue. Because of lag, I'm literally going to take 70 years. Man, I need a new phone. Guys. So actually in this game, if you go too fast on the corners, you fall and die. But because I'm lagging, I don't even have to fall. This guy is a person who doesn't lag. That's the guy. No, my tree! Bruh, this guy derailed me. But we're still moving. Honk, honk. Guys, I think I'll just reset. And from today, I'm going to be posting one normal video and one video and 2 shorts. Each video takes 2 hours of editing. Anyways, I'm just gonna jump. Each video takes 2 hours of editing, and I edit everything by myself. I don't have an editor. You know how much time it takes. Ooh, we have a steam train. Let's get into the seat before. As I was saying, get into the seat. Bruh. I haven't even started moving and I'm derailed. I hate this game. Oh no. Oh no. The steam trains are so slow, man. Look at how fast that guy is moving. Honk, honk. We're moving at a constant speed. And the guy is commenting in the comments, what next Roblox game should I play? Because I'm trying to play a lot of Roblox games and posting them. And plus, actually, I'm in a race with my friend to hit 10,000 subscribers. I don't think I'm going to win because my friend already has 1,000 subscribers. And I'm only at 55. But it's still possible because he stopped posting. He hasn't posted for like 5 months. But I will continue as post, which means I will start to get more views and more subscribers. Oh, sorry, I'm very sick. That was probably disgusting. Bro, my train. Lag spike. I think we should just jump off. Oh, sorry guys, sorry. I'll stop doing that. That's probably disgusting. Let's check the shop. And also guys, please like and subscribe so that I can get some Robux. And when we hit 70 subscribers, I will show you how you get this very cool hammer. It's actually free if you never knew. And it's actually very cool. It's free and very easy to get. Time to start moving. Sorry for the lag spike. And comment down below if we should do a part 2 on this video. Tung tung sound. Oh, sorry. And I forgot to mention, YouTube is bad. It says that you need 50 subscribers to live stream, but I have 55 and it still doesn't let me live stream. Maybe you need 1,000 subscribers. Maybe even 50,000. But that would be unnecessary. Oh, we're starting to stop lagging. Look at how fast we are moving. Now I literally have to slow down on corners. My train started. The good thing about Stuttgart, you don't walk. This guy, good thing they fell off. This guy is a reckless. Why would you derail me, man? I was so far, man. But we're still moving, honk honk. Who are these people who are derailing us? Like they are so impatient. I literally can't wait. I don't even get 1 kilometer per hour. I'm in 1. I don't even get. Oh, I'm getting to 1, 2. Maybe I can do something. Man, stop. already like, I think it's 10 minutes 40 seconds long. So like and subscribe. This is the third time I'm saying, but I really need the subs. Time to see if this one's okay. Bruh, stop despawning. Finally. Decent. Oh, never mind. They're actually pretty fast. 40. 50. 60. 70. You're chill. We're gonna fall. 7. Me, I'm lagging. So even when I go 70 on a corner, I still not fall. But if a normal person goes 70 on a corner, they'll fall. It's actually another advantage of lag. But it has more disadvantages than advantages. So I hate lag. And I also don't have a proper mic. And wait, did make it's good. I think this should be enough for the video. Let's change it. Wait, let's see what it does. What happens when I do this? This is actually very dumb. Man, I'm derailed. I don't wanna fall. Let my cat stay. My cat! Wait, do I have a free spin? Come on, man. They don't give out free spins. No. Anyways, that's it for the video. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, and bye, guys.